Elsa lo ha hecho.
What's gonna happen?
Elsa la ha tirado en la lavadora al suelo. El señor Paco la ayuda.
Really?
Ha roto la lavadora, la ha sacado fuera. Y Elsa, el señor Paco se la ha dado a Elsa y Elsa la ha tirado al suelo. Se lo voy a decir a mamá. 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 ¿Sabes lo que ha hecho Elsa? El señor Paco ha sacado la lavadora afuera y Elsa ¿sabes lo que ha hecho Elsa con la lavadora? El señor Paco se la ha dado a Elsa y Elsa, ¿sabes lo que ha hecho con ella? La ha tirado al suelo y la ha roto. Y ¿sabes lo que ha hecho el señor Paco? Se la ha dado al señor Paco y el señor Paco, ¿sabes lo que ha hecho con ella? El señor Paco la ha tirado a la basura. Creo que Elsa quiere hablar conmigo.
Tell her to speak through the phone.
Elsa.
Tell her to speak through the phone.
Elsa.
Does she want to talk to you?
Elsa. ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué está enfadada? Está enfadada porque la regañó la abuela.
Did you just yell at her?
Yes.
Oh my.
Because, you know what she did?
What did she do?
El señor Paco went inside the house. He took it out and he gave it to Elsa and Elsa broke it. And you know what señor Paco did?
What did he do?
Elsa gave it to him and el señor Paco, you know what he did?
No, what did he do?
He threw it to the garbage bin.
Oh my, he just threw it to the garbage.
Yes.
To the garbage bin.
Yes.
He said he had no solution. Huh?
Yes.
And they had to buy a new one.
Yes.
What are they going to do now?
They're going to buy a new one.
Do you think they have money? Enough money to buy a new one? Ask them if they have enough money to buy one.
¿Tienes muchas monedas? Sí.
Do they have coins?
Yes.
Really?
They have enough money.
They have enough money to buy one.
Yes. They have enough money.
All right. Well done.
Your turn.
Do you have enough money?
Fall.
Okay. Do you have enough money to buy a new one? Do you want to talk to mommy anymore? Do you want to say goodnight? Come on, say goodnight.
Okay. Buenas noches, mamá. Vale. ¿Eso cuántos dientes tiene ahora? ¿Eso tiene 5? ¿Has dicho que Elsa tiene 5?
5 what?
5 teeth.
5 teeth. Fantastic. Well, that's a very good thing.
But I got small. When I was little, I got 6.
Yeah, you had 6 when you were her age. Good night, mommy.
Okay.
Night, night.
Good night, mommy.